a nourishing banana smoothie. So this smoothie is great for an afternoon pick-me-up, and it also makes a great filling breakfast if you are on the go in the mornings. So what I'm going to be using for this one is I've got 1 scoop of the banana Happy Whey protein powder. I've got 1 banana. I'm going to be using 1 medjool date, a few ice cubes. I've got a 1/4 cup here of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, and 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. You can also swap that out for coconut yogurt if you prefer. And I've got 1 cup here of coconut milk. So what I'm going to do is just chuck it in the blender and blend it until it's really creamy and smooth, and enjoy.